Alright guys, just got back in my truck to start this new year, and I'm sitting here having to call on-road. That's a really bad sign when you see the hood up. Now, I'm not going to go out there because it's 20 or 19, 20 some odd freaking degrees, but you see the coolant bottle is pretty much empty. My block froze. I don't know why, but it's just pouring out of the side of the truck. So, yeah, I'm stuck. It's cold. Now, I am at Walmart, so there's a good chance I'm about to get out of this truck and go inside. But I'm just trying to figure out why my coolant froze. It was coolant, it was not water. I didn't put water in this thing. And the coolant was red, as you saw. But damn! Anyway, I guess I'll keep you guys updated. One way to start the new year, right? Anyway, I'll let you guys know how this ends. So, there's the first part of today, the tow truck for my truck. Because of that. Hazmat's coming out to clean this up. Sorry for that clickbait earlier, but I'm just having one of them days. So he's going to get in the process of starting hooking it up. I'm waiting for Hazmat to get out here. And then him and me will be rolling out of here pretty quick. Anyway, probably show or do some more video a little bit later. But Ron's towing. Thank you for coming on out as quick as you did. At Walmart.
Do you need to do much, or was it going to take you a minute? I'm going to hook up on the rear, but I may have to hook up and kind of back up. And do what you got to do. I got that. Okay. I'll try and get that done real quick.
Oh, look at all the salt in the back of my truck. There's a lot. That's all salt. Gotta get my lights cleaned. But you can see that's just all salt, guys. A lot of it, too. Seriously. I didn't think they're going to be bringing out that big old truck. But cat litter. Or a product somewhat similar. So, hazardous material response. I don't know how well you can hear me, but tires are lifted. I think he's going to lower it down a little bit. I don't know if he's going to tow it that high. But yeah. Alright, I'm at Swift now. So there's the truck, there's my truck. Here's all the other trucks getting worked on. Anyway, end of my day, hopefully.